Sure, almost done with our application now, but there's one thing that we have not yet covered, and that's exception handling. Over here, you can see that I'm on a screen where the message says logging you in. What I've actually done is that I have made use of the old links that was sent to us from Appwrite. Now, when I click on that link, since that link is not valid anymore, I'm getting all these exceptions, and you can see over here they are classified as Appwrite exception, and then it gives you the message invalid token passed in the request. But the user is not aware of it until unless they open up the console and try to figure it out what exactly is happening behind the scenes. So in order to tackle such scenarios or handle exception coming from Appwrite's end, we can make use of Appwrite exception from our Appwrite library. And to do that, over here in our session, all we need to do is make use of Appwrite exception from Appwrite, and then we need to wrap our code inside a try catch block. So here we'll introduce try and catch as error over here. Then we'll simply move this whole piece inside the try block, and inside the error block we will be first of all checking if error is of type Appwrite exception. If that's the case, then we will be navigating the user to the login with this query string, else we will be logging the user with an unknown error. Now let's save this, and as we are redirecting the user to the login page, let's see what happens. So now you can see that it goes over here and error has got this message user invalid token. Now you can also introduce some alert mechanism over here. As you can see, like we can write this message and the error message will be displayed as well. So here when we'll do that, it will simply log out the message over here in form of an alert box which says an error code while verifying your session invalid token passed in the request. Now as soon as you click on OK, it will then take you back to the login page, and there the user will know that I need to provide the email ID all over again, and then they will be able to log in with a properly created magic URL which they will receive in their email. So this is just a small example where you can see how we are taking care of the exceptions that are being thrown from Appwrite's end, and we are then consuming it in the application to let the users know about it, and then they will take necessary action based on the error message.